Godrej Aristocrat. What a sight it would be! How beautiful the view would be from the balcony if your luxurious house were in the middle of the jungle. The most beautiful scenery with greenery and a peaceful natural environment. Sounds filmy and non-realist, right? What if I say it's all real? Now you can live and enjoy the tranquility of being in the jungle in the heart of the city Gurugram. Godrej Properties has come up with the first ever forest theme concept in Gurugram named Godrej Aristocrat. It's the only forest theme project in Gurugram where apartments are built amidst the forest with forest theme premium amenities. Now let's talk about the connectivity of the project. Godrej Aristocrat is located in Sector 49, Gurugram, and is only at 2 minutes distance from the famous Golf Course Extension Road. Sona Road, Golf Course Road, NH8, Metro Station 55 to 56 is around 10 to 15 minutes away from the property. While Northern Peripheral Road and IGI International Airport are 20 to 30 minutes away. Education centers like St. Xavier High School, DPS School, GD Goenka Public School are 5 to 10 minute drive. Hospitals which include Medanta, Fortis Hospital and Max Hospital are 5 to 10 minutes drive. Various shopping centers are in the vicinity. Corporate hubs like Google, Unitech Cyber Park, DLF Cyber City, etc. 10 to 15 minutes drive from the property. The developer of this project is Godrej Properties, a renowned name in the real estate industry, building trust and history. The journey of Godrej Group began in 1897 with locks, and over the last 126 years, it has evolved into a symbol of beauty and comfort. Now, Godrej Properties carries forward this legacy with groundbreaking achievements in the global real estate market. Keeping up with its legacy, Godrej Properties presents Godrej Aristocrat, an ultra-luxurious development near Golf Course Extension Road. With RERA received, the possession will start in November 2027. This architectural gem is designed to unravel an expansive world of luxury, exclusively reserved for you. Godrej Aristocrat is an ultra-luxurious development beautifully designed by Singapore-based architect. Following the Vastu principles, each apartment offers a healthy home environment with natural light and ventilation. A triple-height entry lobby, branded electrical fixtures, and contemporary bathroom fixtures are just a few of the luxurious features packed into these earthquake-resistant buildings. To top it all off, every one of these apartments has impeccable high-quality Italian marble flooring, VRV duct AC, and modular kitchen and laminated wooden flooring in the bedrooms for a classic look and a comfortable and rich life. Live in the city, yet immerse yourself in the beauty of living near nature. Godrej Aristocrat is spread over 10-acre area, with Phase 1 and Phase 2 consisting of 3 twin towers, 6 total towers, and 724 units. With apartment configurations of 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus utility, 4 BHK, 4 BHK plus utility, 4 BHK plus utility, XL size. Enjoy the perfect blend of city living and forest-themed tranquility. Size ranging from 1800 square feet to 3500 square feet, offering a home tailored to your preferences. 5 acre of land is preserved for forest area. Forest-themed developments like the 50,000 square feet G+3 story clubhouse facing forest area, a podium, infinity pool, tennis court, 2 infinity edge pools, barbecue arena, basketball court, kids play area, pergola and interactive fountains, gymnasium with sauna and steam room, mini theatre, badminton court, banquet hall, and in-house restaurant, etc. are some of the premium amenities provide the feel of the jungle in the heart of the city. The project's innovative forest theme, proximity to key amenities, and carefully designed spacious homes make it a standout investment for those seeking an exceptional way of life. The project's strategic location and lush surroundings make it an ideal haven for sophisticated living. Godrej Aristocrat stands out as a one-of-a-kind living experience amidst nature's beauty and serenity. For more details and price, contact us on the given number. Only few units left, contact now. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and for more real estate related content subscribe to our channel Invest Mango. Thank you.